Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you our Printable Maker review. I will explain what it is, how it works and exactly everything you find inside. I will also show you the demo and the pricing as well. So, make sure to stay until the end to get everything you need. Before I start, I quickly show you the bonus page. If you decide to purchase the product, you can do through the first link in the description below, and immediately after the purchase you'll find a ton of high-value extra bonuses included. They are custom made by US, so you can't find them anywhere else, that allow you to get the most results using Printable Maker. All of them are designed to help you improve your web marketing skills. You'll learn the fundamental strategies for generating traffic, leads, and sales for any type of online business. So let's go on the page, where you can find all these details and you can check for yourself too. There are a lot of ways to make real money online, and some of them are not well known. Today, self-publishing means that you can publish books on your own. The whole publishing process takes place online, and Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing is by far the most well-known platform. After a book is published, it can be sold on Amazon's own marketplace, where the author can make up to 70% of the book's cover price. Not bad when you consider that traditional publishers usually make 10%. When we decide to publish our text, which hasn't been published before and doesn't violate the rights of another publishing house, on Amazon's portal, after filling out a special registration form with all the necessary information, including bank information, we could also make our book available in paper format. When a copy of the book is ordered, it will actually be printed at one of Amazon's print shops in Europe. It can be bought the same way you buy everything else on Amazon. You will only have to write, or have someone write the book for you. Amazon will handle everything else, including putting it in its catalog, printing it, and sending it to the buyer. The success of your book will depend on many things, like what it's about, how catchy the title is, what people say about it, and, of course, how good it is. Without an editor, you'll have to edit your own book, which is no small task. You'll also have to deal with the layout and cover on your own, though some of Amazon's tools can help. At the risk of making the text look amateurish. Or maybe it was badly edited. But you will make a good amount of money from sales, especially if you can get a lot of readers, friends, followers, or family to buy your book. Printable Maker is a software that helps you. It saves you time when writing a book and money when working with graphic designers or freelance writers to do the work. In fact, you can make as many low-content books as you want with just a few clicks. Once they are finished, you can upload them to the Amazon portal and they will be ready to sell. It is software that anyone can use, even if they have never done it before. You don't have to be an expert to use it. You don't need technical or sales skills, and you don't have to build sites or write content. Okay. Now I start the demo video showing the features and then I come back with the pricing. Okay, let's talk about pricing. You have the full program at $27 including the cloud-based platform, the book creator of pre-made coloring books and PLR license, step-by-step training. So, what is our final opinion? It is a very user-friendly software. It helps you a lot to speed up the creation of pages, and in this way you can increase your income by selling more books on Amazon. Just be careful about the final result. Make sure that the finished product is always of quality. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to get started with Printable Maker and all our bonuses, just click the link in the description below. Also subscribe and like this video if it was helpful. We appreciate it. For any question, let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.